Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we have a 2013 Nissan Rogue. We have a problem with this car. Like today give us like two code. Cylinder 4 misfire, and he give us the O2 sensor problem, bank 1 sensor 1. We changed the sensor for the O2 sensor and still have the same problem. And we changed the spark plugs. I got the spark plugs up here and we still have the same problem. Let's show you what I did to figure out the issue. For cylinder 4, guys, it's gotta be in this side, behind this box. It's gotta be the last one up here. So what I did, because it's difficult, you keep doing like twice to keep remove the coil or switch them sometimes. So what I did, I removed the coil from here and switch it to cylinder 1. So cylinder 1 I switch it to, and I drive the car, and the coil switch again to the other side. So this is why I got the coil now, and it's time to change the coil for this car. I think it never been changed before. So here we go. This is the coil we got it from AutoZone, and you have to remove that one. First, guys, you have to do disconnect the negative sides of the battery. Use 10mm to remove that, and we need to do, you need to get ratchets with socket, with 10mm sockets, and you have to do go to your O2 sensor. No, I'm sorry, to coil. Open the plug, loose it like that. Easy, guys. Unplug, disconnect it. Here we go, guys. Really easy and quick. And guys, if you like the video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that, we show more tricks. So guys, the coil, the old one, this is, I removed it from cylinder 4 and put it into cylinder 1. So this is the new one here, and I'm gonna plug it like that. Yep. Okay, got the bowl. There we go. Almost done. That's the ratchets back again. And tied it. Good. Make sure everything is tied good. Okay. So it's plugged. Now we need to put the battery back to its place. And tied it too. And we go start the car. Here we go, the car ran better. Before the car ran rough. So pretty much easy job, guys. Okay guys, we drive the car now. The car drive normal, no problem. No check engine light on, the car doesn't shake anymore. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching, and please guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that, we always show you a new trick. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.